Subject Science, Chapter 3, Class 6, Fiber to Fabric. Good morning, my dear children. Today we are going to study about the fiber to fabric. You can understand by the name fiber means which we are wearing to cover our body. So in this chapter we are going to study about the fibers which we use, which we have to use, and which are the useful fiber for our body. So let us start today's chapter. Introduction. Since humans involved, they have been using something or the other to cover their body. Clothes protect our body from the weather condition. Children, you know very well which clothes we are using. That clothes you protect our body from the weather condition. Weather condition means clothes protect our body from winter, summer or rainy season. Types of clothing materials. Texture of different materials. Here we are going to study about the texture of the material. Cotton, light and reasonable smooth. Wool, fluffy. Silk, smooth and shiny. Jute, rough. Rayon, light and smooth. Next is types of fibers. First type of fiber is natural fiber. Natural fiber is one that has been produced by nature itself. Natural fibers are obtained either from plants or animals. Cotton. All these four types of fibers are natural fiber. First type of fiber is cotton. Is the fruit of the cotton plant. It is plucked from the plant and collected and then woven into threads by a machine. Silk is produced by the silk moth which eats mulberry leaves and produce silk as a waste. Jute is a plant fiber. It is produced from the skin of jute plant stem. Cultivation of jute plants need plenty of water. Wool is obtained naturally as the hair of sheep. It is also obtained from a few other animals such as camel, goat and rabbit, etc. Advantages of natural fibers. Natural fibers are a renewable resources and can be obtained when required. They do not allow the heat of the body to go away and return it. Cotton clothes can absorb body sweat in summer. Disadvantages of natural fibers. Moisture absorption causes the fibers to swell or shrink. They have lower durability. The price of natural fibers can fluctuate of various reasons. Since the fibers absorb water, they do not dry easily. Here we are going to discuss about the natural fibers. First type of natural fiber is cotton. Cotton is one of the oldest fibers that is still used in making clothes. It is used with other fibers to make blended clothes. Production. We get cotton from cotton plants. Cotton sheets grow steadily and within a span of 2 months become bushes measuring 1 meter to 2 meter. We get cotton balls as the fruit of the plant that are of the size of the lemon. On maturing, these balls burst, showing the cotton fibers covering the cotton sheet. Requirement for the cotton crop. Moderate rainfall, Means for cotton crop we need rainfall, fertile clay soil with good moisture holding capacity. Preparation of cloth. Ginning. In this process, the sheets are separated from the fibers by combing. Spinning. The fibers are then sent to spinning mills where they are twisted to make threads or yarn. This process is making yarn from fiber is known as the spinning. Weaving. After spinning, the threads of the yarn are weaved into cloth. A fabric is made up of two sets of yarn arranged together. Uses of cotton. It is used for making cotton clothes such as shirts, trousers, saris, etc. It is used as an absorbent in hospitals. It is used for making towels and tents. It is used as raw material in making rayon and in the paper industry. Next type of natural fiber is jute. Jute is one of the cheapest natural fibers. It is a long, soft, shiny plant fiber that can be spun into coarse, strong threads. Preparation of jute: biodegradable, durable, or strong. Requirement for the jute crop: jute grows best in warm and humid climate. It requires plenty of water. It grows best in alluvial soil receiving split from annual floods. Production: jute is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. Jute fibers are extracted from the stem. First, they are allowed to remain in water for a few days. After have been pulled out, they are dried to pale yellow fibers have silky appearance. They can now be woven into jute fiber. Uses of jute fibers: jute finds its uses in making gunny bags, carpets, ropes, etc. as it has sufficient strength and is resistant to rotting. Synthetic fibers: fibers which have been made up using chemical substances are called synthetic fibers. Advantages of synthetic fibers: synthetic fibers are race resistant. They do not absorb water. They are strong when compared to natural fiber. They dry up quickly. They come in very attractive color and prints. Disadvantages of synthetic fibers: synthetic fibers catches fire easily. Clothes of such fibers, when rinsed, get damaged. They do not allow air to pass through them. They get damaged by high temperature when ironed. Why it is necessary to spin the fiber before weaving? Clothes are made from threads and threads in turn are spun from fiber. Cotton, wool, silk, nylon, etc. are composed of very fine hair like structures are called fibers. All fibers of instance are very hard and can only be used for making ropes or as core in mattresses. Twisting of fibers into yarn increases the strength of the fibers. Questions and answers. Classify the following fibers into natural and synthetic fibers: nylon, wool, cotton, silk, polyester and jute. Natural fiber, wool, cotton, jute or silk. Synthetic fiber, polyester and nylon. From which parts of the plant cotton and jute are obtained? Cotton fibers are obtained from the fruit of the plant. Jute fibers are obtained from stem of jute plant. Explain the process of making yarn from fiber. The process of making yarn from fiber is known as spinning. In this process, fibers are sent to spinning mills where they are twisted to make thread or yarn. Hand-driven devices such as spindle and charkha are spinning. Name 2 items that are made from coconut fiber. 4 mattresses and basket. Thank you, my dear children. God bless you all.